I'm tired of working for someone else to get a small paycheck.
So I've been struggling online for quite some time.
I'm tired of trading time for dollars.
Challenge. I love it.
I love the challenge.
The 4% success pill, the success 4% challenge, whatever you want to name it.
This is exactly what the industry needs.
Excitement.
Wow.
Amazing.
Phenomenal.
So happy to be part of the 4% family.
I started getting results right after I joined the program.
You can make some good money, make some real money.
Better life, more money, more freedom.
I was spending more time with my wife and my kids.
Time with my family.
I've been very much more focused in what I wanted to do.
Works to shift your paradigm.
It's mind-blowing.
I just cannot believe how much success I am having in my online business.
Now, taking this challenge has scared the crap out of me. I've never done anything like this, but I'm doing it. I'm going all out. I'm going 100%. That plane is going to take off the runway, just like Vic said.
Really powerful stuff. You will physically feel the difference, I promise you, okay, if you just stick at it.
Every day I carry my gold cards.
4% gold card.
Your gold card.
Your personal gold card.
Gold card.
Get your gold card out, my friend.
I got my gold card in hand.
Our gold cards.
I have the gold card now with a goal on it.
I got you, okay? You'll be fine. You can do this.
The 4% challenge was created by Vic Stryzers.
Multi-million-dollar entrepreneur.
One of those leaders that knows how to take you by the hand.
Over the shoulder. Step by step.
Step by step.
Complete step-by-step training.
Bite-sized pieces.
Every detail.
On actually how you can make money.
If you do this the way I'm gonna teach you here in 4%, it will work for you every single time. And it's gonna snowball on you. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
In the very first 7 videos of the 4% 10K challenge, Vic goes in deep.
Hopefully you're feeling pumped. Hopefully you're feeling excited. Hopefully you're feeling optimistic.
I've been learning new strategies.
Knowledge, tools, skills
that I've never seen before.
There is no complexity. There is no confusion. Even if you're an experienced marketer, you're going to have your eyes open.
Let's get into it, right?
It allows you to get to where you would like to be.
I'm learning a whole lot of new things that if I knew earlier on, I would have made a lot more money than I'm making now.
Nothing compares with other programs, platform we work with.
The 4% challenge is going to help a lot of people.
I know that I'm here to really impact thousands and thousands of lives through this process.
Training is done on a daily basis.
Daily success pill.
Success pill every single day.
Doing a specific steps every single day.
My brain has actually been rewired.
You never have to try to figure out what to do next.
So Vic help you to go through from 0 to whatever result you want.
In less than 2 weeks, you see brand new people making commissions.
71 leads.
About 25 sign-ups.
200 subscribers on my email list. About 2 weeks now.
Within the first 3 weeks of doing the 4%, I made $500 online.
Multiple streams of income.
Having multiple streams of income.
Multiple streams of income.
It's amazing. I'm so happy I found it.
Life-changing information, life-altering message.
So far, it's awesome. I'm going to keep going with it.
I could not be more excited to start crushing my goals.
Confidence, going forward.
Anything is possible. I'm excited.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so excited for you because I know what's coming up.
Thank you, Vic.
Thank you, Vic.
Thank you, Vic, for this challenge.
Thank you, Vic Stryzers, if you're watching this.
Thank you so much, Vic.
Thank you, Vic, and thank you for everything you've done for us.
Vic, I appreciate you, brother.
It's never too late to learn, and the challenge will help you.
It helps you to become extraordinary.
So this is like getting in-person training from your closest friend who wants you to succeed.
Hands down, by far, the best system out there.
This was the game changer.
We're looking forward to succeed.
Never give up.
You can do anything.
Success.
You will not regret it.
It's 100% value.
Value, 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 value.
I have the recipe for success and I am thrilled.
Go for it.
You'll definitely change your life.
If I can do, anyone can do.
I can't wait to see what it has next.
Don't take my word for it. Challenge yourself. Take the challenge. Take the challenge today.
Just take the challenge.
How dare you to take the challenge for yourself. You should check it out.